Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever experienced the nightmare of losing your photos or videos? It happened to me recently. I had an SSD where I stored hundreds of pictures I took with my iPhone. One day, I connected it to my laptop, and suddenly all those precious memories were gone. I panicked, thinking those photos were lost forever. But then I found a solution. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you the best photo recovery software in 2025 that not only helped me bring those photos back, but can also restore deleted videos, audio files, and even documents. This is Stellar Photo Recovery, and trust me, it's a lifesaver. The first step is simple. Head over to the official Stellar Photo Recovery website. If you've lost your precious photos, whether from your iPhone, DSLR, GoPro, or even a drone, Stellar Photo Recovery is built exactly for this purpose. It supports all major photo formats and even specific camera RAW formats from Canon, Nikon, Sony, and more. You can recover photos from SD cards, SSD, USB drives, and even corrupted or formatted storage devices. It works on both Windows and Mac, so no matter what device you're using, you're covered. To get started, download and install Stellar Photo Recovery on your computer. Once installed, launch the software. The interface is clean and simple, perfect for beginners. Now, choose the location where your files were lost. When you open Stellar Photo Recovery, you'll see a very straightforward menu. It lets you choose what type of files you want to recover, whether it's photos, videos, or audio. You can also select the exact drive or storage device where the files were lost, like your SSD or SD card. And for photographers or creators, there's even a setting to recover RAW file formats from professional cameras, which makes it extremely powerful for anyone who works with high-quality images. In my case, I selected my SSD where the iPhone photos were stored. After selecting the drive, go ahead and click Scan. You'll notice there's an option called Deep Scan. By default, keep Deep Scan disabled for a faster quick scan, which usually finds recently deleted files. If your photos don't appear in the quick results, you can always enable Deep Scan afterward for a more thorough recovery. This way, you save time by starting quick and only go deep if necessary. Once the scan is done, you'll see a list of recoverable files, and you can preview photos, videos, and audio before restoring them. If your missing files don't show up in the quick results, you can always enable Deep Scan afterward for a more thorough recovery. If you found the deleted folder or files you were looking for, simply right-click on the photo, select Recover, and then choose the location where you want to save it. Once the recovery is complete, just go to the target folder you selected earlier, and you'll see your restored files there. The best part is, you can also recover entire folders at once, so you don't have to restore every single file one by one. This makes the recovery process much faster and more convenient. And as you can see, I've successfully recovered my deleted photos using Stellar Photo Recovery. It feels amazing to finally get those memories back. So thanks to Stellar Photo Recovery, I was able to restore all the iPhone photos I thought I had lost forever. If you couldn't find your deleted photos or files using the quick scan, don't worry, that's when you should try the Deep Scan option. Deep Scan takes more time, but it goes sector by sector across your entire drive to find files that Quick Scan may have missed. This is especially useful if your drive has been formatted or corrupted, the files were deleted a long time ago, or the file system is badly damaged. So if Quick Scan doesn't bring back your photos, just enable Deep Scan and let Stellar Photo Recovery do a more complete search. Many times, Deep Scan can recover photos and videos that seemed impossible to restore. If you've ever deleted your photos by mistake, formatted your SD card, or had your SSD stop working, this software can save your memories and important files. I highly recommend giving Stellar Photo Recovery a try. It's safe, fast, and one of the most reliable recovery tools in 2025. You can download Stellar Photo Recovery from the official link in the description below. Don't wait until it's too late. Install it now and keep it ready in case of emergency. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.